Actually, very good evening to one and all. At the moment, you can watch. We have already stuck in a huge crowded of the jam on the road, and you can watch. I am just going to explain on my word because this is the day of the Baisakhi, and it is the Punjabi community has already celebrated their Guruji birthday today, and it is the day of the Baisakhi. So every year at the one time they are just celebrating with the huge of the crowded, and almost the Punjabi community has already go, and it's very crowded today, and almost the vehicle has already come and by the decorating, and they are just, you can watch at the moment in front of the vehicle there are all over the Punjabi ladies has already put in their hand of the sweep and keep on cleaning through the sweep of the you can just sweep one by one, and after that all of the vehicle has already keep on moving on this road, and they are spreading the floor and water, and there is very crowded, you can watch. There are number of the ladies has already joined in this, and it's huge, long and very wide of the jam at the moment. So I could not able to stop myself to express, to can't help of sharing my point of view. So we are just having completed our duty, and we are just going to move towards our house. So it's very huge of the, so they are just explaining, they are just chanting of their Guruji's name, and I am just having to cross of the road, and because it is not good for use the mobile, but I couldn't help to stop myself to expressing everything on my word to by the, and everyone are all over the, you can watch, everyone are as like a volunteer just taking the snacks with the tea and hot pakode, you can watch in this bracket, and almost the and you can watch they are server, they are just sharing and serving all over the as like all over the, and it is the huge of the pandal has already spread here, and my just friend are just going to take the prasada from pandal, and you can watch they are just chanting, they are just using the some of the Punjabi chanting
ਗੁਲਾਮੀ ਕੱਟ ਜੰਜੀਰ ਨੂੰ ਪਰਾਂ ਸੁੱਟੇ ਸੋਚੋ ਦੇ ਸਵਰਗ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਬਦਲੇ ਜਮਰ ਹੋਣੇ ਸਦਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਮਰਜੀ ਮਾਲ ਛੱਪੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਜ਼ੁਲਮ ਕਰ
road has already fully of the crowded.
ਆਣਾ ਮਾਰ ਕਰ ਥੱਲੇ ਲਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਸਾਰੇ
We are just moving. You can watch. They are just capturing in the camera. They are making the video. Almost the ladies are just sweeping the road with the help of the sweep, and I am just acting because it is a new for me, and there are number of the things.
चप्पल उतार के इधर मत जाओ।
ना हम इधर किनारे चल रहे थे।
आपने 2-3 बार किया है।
Okay.
ना हमें पता है
So,
किनारे होकर चल रहे।
He has already suggested us कि don't need to come by the sweeping in this area. They have already cleaned the area, so needless to come in this side of the. They have already cleaned. They have already swept. So we have to follow, and because it is not our intention, because they are just enjoying, they are just celebrating of their, and you can watch some of the volunteer has already using the bag, and they keep on guiding of the people and without any difficulties, and everyone are just doing their work properly, and there is no any type of the difficulty of the passengers, and vehicle is moving very comfortably. So that's why I kept on whatever I am just watching, so I like to express narrating everything on my word. And so you can watch, it's very crowded is going, and it is something of the 2 or 3 kilometers jam, and there are number of the party has already participated in this particular area, and place to place there are number of the as like a server, they keep on using the some of the foods, fruits, and all of the drinks, cold drinks and biscuits and any of the things they keep on celebrating. So you can watch, there are number of the server has already standing here, and they are just serving. So I have already took the one of the Parle-G packets in my pocket, and I'm just capturing. So how can I stop myself, because there are number of the people are also, it is a very good for me. I am just by the moving, I am just explaining on my word, and you can watch. They have already recorded all our activity, whatever happened during this jatha. They have already recorded in their cameras. The camera has already put in the personal car. So it's very good, and you can watch. Both are my friends. They have already. I am following them. They are just recording in their mobile by the capturing. So I am just following, and when I came across some of the other people, and they are after hearing my explaining whatever I am just explaining, so they are very surprised, and so you can watch. They are just crying. Bole so Nihal Sat Sri Akal. They are just calling with the as like we can call the Nara. And okay, so keep on thinking, keep on watching, keep on enjoying by the watching this video till now. Thank you.